underlining accusations of a lack of urgency on the part of the government. It's 4:02. There's a big fundraiser tonight at Scarborough Hospital's Cancer Care Program. Arda Zakarian joins us live with a preview of a very special guest that will be speaking tonight that will be joining you not too far from now.
Yes, that's right. It is the Duchess of York, Lady Sarah Ferguson, will be here in about a half hour's time, and we will get to interview her as well. And I've been told that working with hospitals are very near and dear to the Duchess of York's heart. And with me is Michael Mazza. You are the president of the Scarborough Hospital Foundation. So talk to me about that this is very near and dear to her heart.
Well, so Duchess of York came because we asked her, we told her that we wanted to raise money for cancer care so that people in Scarborough could get access to care close to home. She's very keen on it. She really likes speaking with patients. She connects to patients. It's something that she has a lot of ideas for us as well, and so we're looking forward to potentially continuing that relationship as we move on.
And the goal tonight is to raise $2 million. Tell me, what will that do for the hospital?
So for us, equipment is a big part of the first phase of what we want to do in our cancer program. So equipment's always aging, technology is always changing, and so the first step, buy new equipment. The next step, unfortunately, our chemotherapy program is very well attended. We have a great program, but we need to expand the space. So we need to get to a bigger space. And finally, we need to develop new surgical suites so that we'll be able to do a fully integrated cancer program so that people can get access close to home.
And the Duchess of York came to the Scarborough Hospital this morning, and you were there as well.
She did. It was actually, it was fantastic to watch. We walked about the hospital. She stopped for anybody that wanted to take a picture, say hello, or ask her questions. She met with patients. She connected to patients. It was an emotional experience for many, and I was sort of just glad to sort of watch and just be a witness.
Thank you so much, Michael. And this isn't the Duchess of York's Lady Sarah Ferguson's first visit to our city, so we'll ask her what she liked about visiting our city the most. Back to you.
That was great. Thank you so much, Arda. See you very soon. Time now for a check on weather and traffic. First up, it is the weather. We're live.